Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to use Wix to send emails. Click Campaigns in the dashboard to begin. I'll walk you through selecting an audience, picking a template, and scheduling sends. We'll cover how to personalize content, add images and buttons, and avoid common deliverability issues. By the end, you'll feel confident creating a simple campaign, tracking performance, and improving results with small, practical tweaks to grow engagement. Start by organizing your audience so every message reaches the right people. Import contacts or use Wix people to sync subscribers automatically. Create segments based on behavior, purchase history, or sign-up source to send more relevant content. Remove duplicates and fix typos to reduce bounces and protect your sending reputation. Also set up double opt-in when appropriate to confirm consent, and keep your pick a responsive template and tailor it to your brand with logos and colors. Write a concise subject line and preview text that entice opens without sounding spammy. Keep the layout scannable, use one clear call to action, and include unsubscribe options. Test across devices and send preview emails to check rendering. Finally, schedule your campaign based on audience time zones and monitor analytics to iterate on future sends for steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.